up my demons, uncovering my skeletons, reminding me that my ghosts are right here by my side. Yeah, they're right here and ain't too hard to find. So I go and walk a good walk, try and talk a good talk, get on my knees and say a prayer that I'll find my way to live with all the things that I've done, everything that's gone wrong, find peace in my crazy that I can't erase, and believe that everything will somehow find its way, and it's okay to not be okay. Yeah, my checkered past keeps calling and rearing its ugly head, staring me down, trying to pick itself a fight. So we're dancing once again, cause he's my only friend, and man how I've missed him, cause he's been a good friend.